So when there are challenges in pregnancy and fertility, what might be happening in the body? Why those challenges are occurring?
So when it comes to Chinese medicine, we're looking at imbalances with qi and blood. That's the main thing.
Mm-hmm.
So we in Chinese medicine, we have these pattern diagnoses that our treatment plans are based on those things. So one of the patterns is qi stagnation, which is very common in fertility cases. Specifically liver qi stagnation. So one of the symptoms with liver qi stagnation is stress, anger, severe cramps. So their menstruation, so one of the things I ask is how are your menses? How's your cycle? How often do you get your period? Do you get cramps? Do you get breast distension? Do you get or low back pain? I also check the color of the blood and how heavy the blood flow is. Those are things that can suggest whether you have qi stagnation or another pattern, which is blood deficiency and qi deficiency. Those are other things. So with blood deficiency, women don't get their periods that often. Or if they do, if they skip months, or they do get their periods every about 28 days, but it's a very light period, or the color of the blood can be like a light red. Another thing can be fatigue with qi deficiency and blood deficiency. And in blood deficiency, dryness is a very common thing. So check how your skin is and your hair, or dryness anywhere in the body. And with qi deficiency, low appetite is very common. So those are different symptoms. Those are things that you want to see. Yes. Wow. And then one thing an acupuncturist does when you go see an acupuncturist is that they check your tongue and your pulse. So with the tongue, qi deficient tongue and might be pale, might be a little bit enlarged. So you'll see a little bit of teeth marks, right? Because it's pushing on the teeth. With blood deficiencies, that pale tongue is a good tongue should be like a pink color. If you look at a baby's tongue, you'll see, oh, that's a good tongue. Also, we check if there are any cracks on the tongue, because it should be smooth, and there should be a light coating on the tongue.
Got it.
Yes.
Wow. This is so, I feel like it's like a superpower, but obviously you're trained in it. But
it's not
you're able to assess like what's happening in your body, right? By just looking at your tongue or paying attention to your skin and your blood and all of those things. It's actually not a superpower. I feel like it's a part of the wisdom that we used to have and probably just don't practice it anymore.
We used to have those things. It's just like first going with nature and just like paying attention to our bodies, listening to our bodies. That's something that I think that has been lost